Hello everyone, it's me again, and today I want to talk about artificial intelligence or AI and how it affects students in schools. Many of us use AI for homework, research, and studying. AI can be helpful because it can explain lessons, give examples, and save time. It can support students who are struggling to understand certain topics. However, depending too much on AI can be harmful. If we let AI do all the work, we may not really learn the lesson. This can affect our skills and confidence in the future. The best way to use AI is as a learning tool, not as a short term. We should still try to think, answer, and understand our school tasks on our own before asking for help from technology. AI is powerful, but learning is still our responsibility. When used wisely, technology can help us grow instead of making us lazy. Kasi yung AI guys, kumbaga ginagamit lang yan pang assistant. Huwag niyong abusuhin yung AI na huwag niyo abusuhin yung AI na gamitin lagi ito. Kung meron naman kayong time para gawin yung homework or ano pa ba. And that's all guys. Thank you for listening again.